In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a thank you for subscribing email and follow-up email in Brevo. This is a simple automation you can set up once and then let it run in the background. The goal is to send a welcome or thank you message right after someone subscribes, then automatically send a follow-up email after a short delay. Before you begin, it helps to have 2 email templates ready inside Brevo, one for your thank you email and one for your follow-up message. Clear subject lines and a short friendly message usually perform best. Start by going to the automation section in Brevo, then choose Create an Automation. This is where you build a workflow that triggers based on a contact action, like joining a list or signing up through a form. Next, select Welcome Message as the automation type. This option is designed for subscriber onboarding, so it is a good fit for a thank you email sequence. After selecting it, click Create and then continue by choosing Next to move forward in the setup. Now you will be asked to select your email content. Choose your thank you email template from the available templates, then click Next. Take a moment to confirm you selected the correct version, especially if you have multiple similar templates. The welcome email is usually sent immediately, so you want the message to be ready to represent your brand well. After that, add a delay so the follow-up does not go out too soon. Select Wait, then set the duration such as 2 days, and confirm by selecting OK. This waiting period gives new subscribers time to read the first email and get familiar with you before they receive the next one. Then click the plus icon to add the next action. Choose Send an Email, select your follow-up template, and confirm with OK. Keep the follow-up aligned with the welcome message, and make sure it has a clear purpose, like sharing a helpful resource or guiding the subscriber to a next step. Finally, click Activate the automation. Once it is active, Brevo will begin sending your thank you email and follow-up email automatically to new subscribers based on the welcome workflow settings. That covers everything you need to know.